Do you like duck noises? So do I. Are you at the point in your life where you need to buy a duck whistle? Then this video is for you. Here in this box, I have purchased a duck noise making contraption. We are going to unbox it and see what happens. Here we have the card inside. Hold on a second. Here we have the card inside. Let's see, it's a High Tide Fabrications. Inside the box, we have a I ordered this. It's a custom. You get to choose whatever phrase you want on it. I went with the phrase "get fucked." So, the fact that they put that on there means that they are very tolerable of other people's preferences, so that's a plus. As you can see, the wood inlay is blue, yellow, and purple. They have like other colors you can choose from. Anything else in the box? No, there's not. Let's explore this. There's kind of dust on it, but that's expected. Oh, look at that. Very nice shine, very nice shine. It seems to be like a wood inlay. I got the single reed. I didn't know anything about reeds. I didn't know anything about single or double, so I researched the internet, and it sounded like the single reed was preferred among the hunters, so let's give it a go. What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! So you're supposed to blow in it through this end. This end is not where you put your mouth. I'm totally surprised. So that's cool. Let's explore more. Cool. I'm gonna have to play around with it. This is the first time I've ever used one. What else? If you're interested in flutes, I have a 432. It's right over here. It's kind of like a Native American flute. It's it's in the G category, and it's 432 hertz. And it sounds like this. And then we got the duck quacker. Yeah, I'm gonna mostly test this on my chickens. I'm gonna see how they react. But in the meantime, I think that's it for now. Get fucked.